Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the background of your videos in any device on Zoom Workplace. Go to video, go to the adjust background and effects, and here's where you can change the background of your videos. You can also add more images or videos from your file here, but I just had this one placed there, and you can even add in an avatar to replace yourself. I don't even have the camera like on, but well, it's like on, but it's like closed, but it still like mimics my voice. So that is it. Basically, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.